Ayan guys, so nag-jacket na ako. So, pupunta kami ng kuan guys sa anong tawag doon, magsindi kami ng kandila sa cathedral. Gamitin namin yung sky namin, then ayan.
Surprise si Kuya. Ano siya gi-prank at
So,
surprise.
kain kami sa labas. May konting kuan, salo-salo kaming tatlo. So, let's go. Bye. Ayan guys, so nandito na po kami sa cathedral po. Ayan. Ako yung mga anak ko. Say hi.
Hi! Nahinat sila sa sitwasyon.
Nakapangbalay lang kami guys. Ayan guys, so sisindi muna kami. Ay, simbahan. Cathedral.
Here's the birdie.
You remember that we launched nagsugod kita niini nga programa ni atong July.
Kuya dia. Kuya.
This will give us an understanding
Ayan. Kuha lang mo ha.
when we arrive at this launching promulgation
Ano
of
siya?
the ACDUC plan. No? So that would be my task this afternoon. From the very start,
Basahon sa ninyo.
try to come up with
Kani ko pag-usa kita pa.
Na, oh God,
so that we just go through this
source of origin of all light,
Light.
accept this candle as a symbol of my love. Inflame my heart with your grace, that I may walk in the road of virtues and glorify you all my life. Please help me my needs.
Please help me my needs.
So imo siyang ikuan imo siya iingon sa imong needs. Salamat ka. Silent lang na needs. Then through Jesus and His Mother Mary. Amen. Antot na.
the first really the launching of ACDUC strategic planning happened on July 20. If you remember, this happened in St. January. It was a two-day seminar, workshop, and it was well attended. In fact, we had
Amen.
as far as the
Sa imo lang ang budagkot. Hinay.
So again, we started that day by appreciating positive words.
Butang ko yung go, Dad.
Ah.
Butang ko ko.
That
Yeah.
was important because one, come up with a vision
Yeah.
But you didn't
Abay.
say anything.
understand or we mean
Abay ta.
that we did not start from scratch, but
Yeah.
there were already existing documents that we can work on, existing
Yeah.
documents that we can perhaps base our
Didn't say.
Dili na mapit, dili na po.
So that's what happened. The second day, this is the time when we start asking ourselves, what is our common mission and vision for the Archdiocese? And here, our basis for this, my friends, we recall that
Amen.
while we recognize that there existing documents, but we are also being proud of our own circumstances right now. We recognize that there are past events, but we also understand that we are right now as an archdiocese facing some different challenges. Therefore, we try to understand this and we use what we did for the wisdom of the far and wide.
Ha?
I want to understand the body they go, it says, focus
Kiss.
maximum inclusion. So when Archbishop Joe said, let's go
Picture sa mo diri.
Okay, get good. Have a bitch, tell you falling in love.
Up with it, girl. Back with it, girl. See what I mean, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be alone. I lift my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be alone till I get to the Now you were Romeo, you were Romeo. Bad booze and made daddy said stay away from Juliet. And now it's Brian on the staircase.
Ano ta, Mia? Mia! Narami guys. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, good morning. Ay. Wait lang. Hello po. 6-piece bucket po with spaghetti na lang. Family pan. Oh. Kwan, tulo ka spicy, tulo ka dili spicy. Pero pwede Thai. Ay Thai.
Available lang.
If available lang. Oh, sige.
Kung may tulo ka spaghetti, sir ba? Tulo ka rice, tulo ka drinks.
Dili ka ng kwan 60.
Available na ba mong family pan, sir?
Dili, available.
Yes, sir.
Ano available ninyo? Kanang 770.
Yes, sir. Talaga. Drinks na sa Sanapol?
Oh. Extra rice lang din duha.
Yes, sir. Tulo ka spicy, tulo ka original, sir ba? Additional din nga duha ka rice.
Oh.
How about peach mango pie, sir? 30 lang. Kanilang? 847.
Ano?
Para asa mo din eh?
Tingin ko daw na.
Asa lagi?
Ate kuya.
Parang yun ko french fries.
Yes kuya. Sa gula na imani si daddy.
Dagat. Nani ba
Ate?
yung take him?
Happy kuya.
Abay ko di ba?
Ali. Yan. Simple lang. Hugasan mo dito kamot ka.
Eh, sure. Sugar.